These two in the background.
Aren't you glad you remembered your glasses? Viewpoint.
This is so cool. I didn't know like there were gonna be paintings too. I found out like when we entered and I saw a sign.
Oh, I thought you would have Googled it at least.
Huh?
I thought you would have Googled it.
No, I don't.
Have you seen any Native American?
I like certain prizes.
Oh, you like surprises. Doesn't everyone?
Well, like
a pleasant surprise.
Like, ancient art before probably, but like I don't know here they were which is really cool.
It's super quiet and peaceful. You can just hear the insects and the squirrels. Looks like some people are gonna hike this mountain.
देखो कैसा स्टेप रास्ते में यार प्लीज गो टू दैट साइड
They're picking up on my vocabulary, my words.
Is it a pass?
Sure, right.
Shazio, go more right. Krisha, how are you finding the walk?
I'm finding it very nice.
Very
Very
nice.
refreshing.
Yeah.
Very close to nature.
Oh, it's amazing. I'm so glad I popped the Allergex before this because there's so much greenery.
This is the first painting of Bhimbetka. Then tell us about. Now we are a part of monarchy culture. Now there was a leader that was decorated all around this flower. So look over the first painting from the right side. The first house that is decorated all around this flower. So that person considered as a leader, Raja, king, just behind the whole army. So this is the first depiction of leadership. Now there was a king and all have followed him. So इसका जो dating है, dating found to be 300 BC, 2300 years ago. The people who used to live here, or you can say the tribal people, now become a part of monarchy culture. So it is 300 BC. And just below the red pigmentum paintings are again white ones. That is charcoal. Below the white ones, again some paintings they do with the help of red pigment. There is a painting of a peacock over the right side. And just left of it, when these kind of people got civilized, they got engaged in a group. So these are showing their happiness with the help of group dancing. So a few people showing their happiness with the help of group dancing. जो झिंगालाला गाते हैं वो पहला है उसके ऊपर देखिए
Okay, be careful, guys. Let's go. Watch your heads. Claustrophobia. These drawings. Yeah.
Bless you. Bless you.
Sneezing in the cave.
This is the modern caveman we are seeing here.
This is the secret bedroom. Yeah, it looks like a bed.
This is the first entrance that we divide into two parts. Then you get ground floor and a first floor.
130နေရာလေးတွေကြာလို့30ဆက်ပြီးတော့တိုင်းစားတယ်အဲ့ဖိုင်တော့ကြာတော့
900တန်းနိုင်ရွက်ယူပြီးတော့ပတ်စံမအန်းတော့
ပေါ်လို့မရဘူး
900တန်းနိုင်ရွက်ယူလိုက်တာ
ရလာရအောင်မှာပြီးရင်ဒီअभी तो जिस
बढ़ते चलो चलते चलो बढ़ते चलो
इसका मिनट ना ले लो
How are you feeling today now?
how I'm feeling.
Yeah.
Feeling good.
You feeling good? You healed up now? Okay,
Even
now.
I wasn't feeling good.
That's good. 100%.
Yes, 100%.
100%.
I'm gonna see all your blogs and vlogs. Whatever.
Yeah, you will.
You are just doing it.
Yeah, we got a lot of good videos. Bali, 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 Bali.
That is this one. Go. I take a picture.
I know. Everyone's just taking pictures. Just don't step on any moss. Keep moving.
Maybe you must sit down, but you have to walk. This is only one way out.
Yes. No, actually, it's not that. I think
So heels.
some cramp. No, not heels. Heels, I wear it this much. And they're very light in me. The only thing is knee, little bit knee pain. So when I was doing yoga, that day just cramp.
Ah.
So that's how. So whenever I'm folding my knee, I'm just doing, no, it's not hurting, it's giving me a sound of tuck tuck. So boys are asking something like this. I'm not drink milk 3 days, 4 days. Just drink milk. Milk.